Hello, hello everyone. I am Saurabh Sonwani, and today I am excited to share with you insights from a project that holds great significance in the realm of security and defense. The project I am presenting today is called as Exploratory Data Analysis on the Global Terrorism Datasets. We dive into the world of terrorism data with the goal of understanding patterns, identifying hotspots, and informing strategic decisions. Before starting the project, I give you some light on the definition of the terrorism and the exploratory data analysis. The terrorism defined as the threatened or the actual use of illegal force and violence by the non-state actor to attain a political, economic, religious, or the social goal through fear, coercion, and intimidation. Basically, terrorism, in simple words, is using violence and fear to make people do what someone wants. It's like a bully who hurt others to get their way, but on a bigger scale. The next is EDA or exploratory data analysis. It is a crucial phase in the data analysis process. It involves examining and visualizing data sets to understand their main characteristics, identify patterns, and uncover insights. Basically, EDA refers to initial investigate steps taken with dataset to understand its characteristics and potential. It's like getting to know someone new. You gather information, ask questions, and observe to form a basic understanding before diving deeper. And the primary goal of EDA are to discover patterns, detect anomalies, and gain a deeper understanding of underlying stories within the data, which can guide further analysis and decision making. You might wonder why focus on the terrorism data. In the ever evolving landscape of the security, data driven insights are crucial. By harnessing the power of data analysis, we can identify patterns, anticipate threats, and formulate effective strategy. Our goal is clear: to uncover actionable insights that can inform strategic decision and contribute to a more secure environment. Through the meticulous data analysis, we aim to identify horizons, understand attack dynamics, and recommend target countermeasures. In this project, we leverage the power of data analysis and visualizations, employing the user-friendly Power BI platform. Our journey begins with comprehensive explorations of datasets encompassing keys parameters such as attack dates, locations, weapon types, and more. So now let's dive into the steps we look to analyze and visualize the data using the Power BI. So first is understanding data. The data contains the information of 1000 1,80,000 terrorist attacks from year 1970 to 2017, including the details about the date of the attack, the location of the attacks, the type of weapon used in the attacks, the type of attacks, type of target, etc. Next, we load our dataset in the Power Query. This powerful tool in Power BI allows us to clean and transform our data. Then we remove unwanted rows and columns. Then change data types and then rename the columns for better clarity. So we can ensure the consistency of the accurate analysis. After cleaning of the data, we identify the key metrics, also called as KPIs, such as the maximum attacks and total attacks. These KPIs provide a quick snapshot of overall trend and impacts. As we all know, Power BI makes it easy to visualize our insights. We created a donut charts to show relationship between the weapon types, attack types with their success rate. Line charts help us track success rate over the years, while bar and column chart highlight regional and the group specific success rate. Now I would like to go to the Power BI screen to show you my dashboard. As you see on the screens, I created the three donut chart First is the success rate by the weapon type. As you see, the from the total proportion, the explosive contains 50% 51 percentage, firearms 37%, incendiary uh, uh, causes of the fire weapon is 7.24%. And in other donut chart, which is the success rate by target types, the majority is private citizens and property they target, which is about around the 46%, followed by the military and police, which is the 26.68 and 25.34 percentage. The third donut chart is about success rate by attack type. The types of attacks are the bombing explosion, followed by the armed assault and assassination. The KPIs are the maximum attack in the year, total attacks, kill in attacks, most used weapons, most deadly groups. I created a line chart to show the trends, the success rate of a trend over all the years. As you see on the screen that the after the 2010 the success rate year by year growth is high, and is 2014 it is on a peak. And then the bar chart shows the success rate by the region. As you see, Middle East and the North South America is at the highest on the list. And the success rate by the group name, which I created using the column chart, is Taliban, ISIL, SL are the highest groups involved in the attacks. And the last one I created is the map to show the overall success rate by the country. So after this all visualization and the analysis, let's dive into the some of the insight I have covered. We observed that the year 2014 recorded the highest number of attacks, making it a focal point for our strategic consideration. Overall, the entire dataset, there were 175,000 attacks, resulting in a total of 709,000 casualties. This underscored the gravity of challenge we face. As we look at the type of attacks, weapon preferences, and the groups involved, strategic implementation become apparent. The prevalences of explosive as a weapon demanded a focus efforts on the countermeasures, while the identification of the most deadliest group, which is the Taliban, necessarily targeted intervention. So, from these insights, our next step is on the recommendation or say suggestions. In the response to this finding, I propose a set of actionable steps, from reinforcing security measures in the historical vulnerable region to developing advanced countermeasures against the explosive. Our focus should be on the proactively addressing identified challenges. Moreover, the data underscore the importance of a global collaboration in countering terrorism. In the world where threats transcend borders, our response must be collaborative, leveraging shared intelligence and coordinated efforts. In conclusion, this data analysis project is not just about numbers and statistics. It's about the life, security, and the well-being of our global community. By leveraging the power of data, we aim to shape a future where the shadow of terrorism recedes, allowing us to build a safer and more secured world. Thank you for your attention. I am open to any question or discussion you may have regarding this crucial endeavor. Thank you.